The 2020 Highlander offers a choice between two advanced powertrains, a gas V6 or a new version of the Toyota hybrid system. The 295 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 is the epitome of smoothness. Its Toyota innovated D4S injection system combines direct injection with port fuel injectors to optimize efficiency, power, and emissions in all conditions. That translates into 295 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque, which further translates into excellent everyday performance and generous towing capability. The direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission maximizes Highlander's acceleration and highway merge capability while operating seamlessly and transparently. On V6 models, the available towing package enables a 5,000-pound towing capacity. The package includes a heavy-duty radiator with engine oil cooler and improved fan performance. The new generation Toyota hybrid system in the 2020 Highlander Hybrid combines a high-efficiency 2.5-liter double overhead cam 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors in a system that's more compact and more efficient than before. The gas engine employs variable valve timing intelligence system by electric motor on the intake camshaft and VVTi on the exhaust camshaft. A variable cooling system and a fully variable oil pump further improves engine efficiency. The bottom line is a 243 total system horsepower and up to manufacturer estimated 36 combined MPG. The latter is a 24% improvement over the previous generation Highlander Hybrid's 29 combined MPG. Pricing starts for the L model at $34,600, the LE model $36,800, the XLE model $39,600, the Limited model $43,650, and the Platinum model at $46,850.